Hi students, welcome back. Today we will learn about the last portion of the first chapter, Medieval World Centers of Power. Medieval America. From ancient time onwards, indigenous civilization prevailed both North and South America. These civilizations continued to exist in the medieval period also. The administrative systems in these regions were purely indigenous. North American civilizations are Mississippi, Caribbean, Mongolian, Pathayan, Mayan, Inca, Aztec, and Toltec. In their quest for establishing colonies, the Europeans reached America in the 16th century. They destroyed the native cultures and started plantations and mines there. The Negroes of Africa were brought to America as slaves to work in these places. The natives were subjected to genocide. Mayan calendar. The Mayan calendar consisted of 365 days. 1 year was comprised of 18 months of 20 days each. The remaining 5 days were holidays intended for celebrations and festivals. Chinaba. The Aztecs created small islands in their marshy regions by heaping up green leaves. They later planted trees and started cultivation in these regions. These were known as floating gardens. Next, decline of feudalism. The socio-political and economic system existed in medieval Europe based on land was known as feudalism. From the 15th century onwards, feudalism began to decline in Europe. Towards the end of the medieval period, agriculture production decreased considerably due to climate change. This resulted in the outbreak of famines in many parts of Europe. The continuous occurrence of plague known as Black Death wiped off nearly half of the population of Europe. The Crusades shattered many of the feudal lords. The monopoly of gunpowder enabled the kings to suppress feudal nobles. The new middle class that emerged as a result of the growth of trade also helped the rulers to subdue feudal lords. The outbreak of many peasant revolts and wars in different parts of Europe weakened the lords and strengthened the authority of kings. This led to the emergence of nation states. Let's conclude our today's topic. The main American civilizations are Mississippi, Caribbean, Mongolian, Pathayan, Mayan, Inca, Aztec, Toltec. Next, what are the circumstances that led to the decline of feudalism? Agriculture production decreased, outbreak of famines, the continuous occurrence of plague, the Crusades, the monopoly of gunpowder, and the outbreak of peasant revolts. Hope you all understood what we learned today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.